Okay, kasama natin si Miss Princess Katingdig from South Tennis Major Awardee. Good afternoon. Okay, so Princess, ano pa pakiramdam na makatanggap ka ng award from the Women in Sports Awards?
Siyempre happy kasi na-represent ko yung team namin dito sa event na to.
And bukod pa rito, si Kiskis Sanyosa is also awardee
Yes,
too from the awards night. So, double recognition ito kasi last year si Bien at si Bob B na
Bien
pinangalan.
and Coach, di ba?
Alright. So, what's the latest sa ating soft tennis team natin?
Bale, next week, meron kaming grassroots clinic sa Jensan. So, with the help of our Commissioner Bongku, yan, yung all-women's grassroots.
And of course, tournaments. Ano ka
Tournament sa Jensan din. So, after that grassroots clinic, meron kaming tournament din sa Jensan. So, that was our first tournament for this year.
Okay, so ano ba ang asahan natin? What's your